यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ सेंसेक्स के बारे में। सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी 50 स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स गिव निफ्टी सिग्नल्स इन नेगेटिव स्टार्ट एशियन शेयर्स ट्रेड लोअर। Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities close higher on Friday with the Sensex and Nifty positions decisive claim as a strong earning surprise from Infosys revived risk appetite and the spark a sharp rally in heavyweight IT stock. The surge propelled both indices to reach intraday high and overturning recent corrections and setting a bullish tone for the season. Indian stock market closed marginally lower on Tuesday. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities closed higher on Friday, with the Sensex and Nifty positioning in decisive advance after a strong mining surprise from Infosys, rekindled risk appetite and the lead heavyweight IT stock. The rally dropped both benchmark to fresh intraday high, reversing recent correction and the leading a bullish undertone to the session. The BSE Sensex surged as much as 752 points during the day to an intraday peak of 84,134.97, while the NSE Nifty 50 climbed 0.8% to touch 25,873.50. However, some gaps were paired by the close, with the Sensex ending up 187 points or 0.23% at 83,570.35, and Nifty is rising 29 points or 0.11 to the settle at 25,694.35. Sensex today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Rail EBITDA margin hit 7-quarter high as Q2 strength offsets retail weakness. Reliance Industry Rail consolidated operating margins before the depreciation and amortization. EBITDA margin surpassed double digit for the first time in 7 quarters. Even the strong performance in ITC oil to chemical drivers, supported by higher resolutions and the reverse domestic fuel sale, the help offset weakness in the retail segment, which was affected by the shift of the 2025 festive season to the 2nd quarter compared with the previous year. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live update. What Tiger Global ruling means for the foreign investor. A recent Supreme Court ruling in the Tiger Global Flipkart share sale case has the brought India's tax treaties back into focus here. What it means to foreign portfolio investor and private equity funds. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Nifty put call ratio signal tariff the uncertainty.